Thank you for taking the time to view our fourth presentation to the Ropeless Consortium. Ropeless Systems has been delivering RISER, our lift bag-based recovery systems for commercial fishing, since 2020. Since we last met, Ropeless Systems has expanded the fisheries where our legacy system, RISER-MTA, has been tested. Currently, RISER-MTA supports the traps used in fisheries for lobster, snow crab, Dungeness crab, and black sea bass. The Canadian Wildlife Federation's Canned Fish program provided RISER-MTA systems to commercial fishers who have been actively testing offshore Nova Scotia since 2021 in lobster and snow crab fisheries. Through September 2nd of this year, they had logged 51 successful out-of-season deployments. Recently, our systems were used at the end of snow crab trawls with 15 traps each in depths ranging from 60 to 525 feet. We have verified during testing that should a system land upside down, they can still be actuated and recovered without any issue. Here in the U.S., NOAA Fisheries has provided our system to fishers who completed 82 deployments in water depths up to 725 feet. Our systems are also being independently tested by other groups in New England and in the southeast of the U.S. While RISER-MTA has allowed us to get lift bag technology into the hands of fishers as quickly as possible, it is our RISER-MTA and single ping positioning technology which we are most excited about. This new system allows the end user to automatically locate traps and trawls in real time. It offers hands-free operation without the need for shore communication to a database. It is a purely acoustic positioning system utilizing the minimum amount of radiated energy. We currently have a handful of demonstration systems which we have been testing locally. So what is RISER-MTA? MTA stands for Multi-Code Transponder Actuator. It is the submerged part of Ropeless RISER that facilitates hands-free single-ping positioning and recovery. It has enough battery life to last a full fishing season and has sensors which help minimize the consumption of compressed air. This allows fishers to get many deployments on a single tank charge, which could be a significant portion of the season. Transpond means that when an acoustic signal is sent to the unit on the seafloor, it replies. It is this reply which uniquely identifies itself and allows the transceiver hardware on the ship to compute and display position and gear configuration, singles and trawls, plus gear ownership. And when an MTA is released, it notifies the operator that it is coming to the surface, allowing fishers to get ready to process the traps and start fishing as quickly as possible. We set up a pair of transponders in our transceiver head in our shop to demonstrate the tech behind our system. Keep in mind that our transducers and signaling are designed to work in water, not in air. There are two plots inlaid into the video. The waveform plot on the left shows the acoustic signals received at the transceiver, and the dotted line indicates the detection time. The right-hand plot displays the relative bearing. The colors in the plots correspond to the two transducers in the video. In the center is our transceiver head with the Ropeless logo on it. As we move the red transponder, you can see the relative bearing change on the display. From the waveform plot, you can see that the transponder signals are laying on top of one another, and we are still able to decode the signals and compute individual bearings. This is a key part of our technology. These bearings and ranges are combined with vessel heading and position to compute the transponder's position on the seafloor, in real time and without need for a database. Our system works just like the radar reflectors in use offshore right now, with the added benefit that you know which gear belongs to you. So what's next for Ropeless Systems? We plan to get more RISER-MTAs out into the field, and we have an order from NOAA to deliver demonstration systems next year. Additionally, we are building our own inventory of both MTA and AT units, which will be available for lease and demonstration. We have also begun a design for manufacturing effort to enable cost-effective, large-volume production of systems. We will also expand our chart plotter compatibility beyond OpenCPN. The adoption of the new NMEA messages for ropeless gear will open the doors for compatibility with most commercial chart plotters. Finally, we are developing additional recovery solutions, such as a mechanical release and alternate gas supply for our lift bag system. This will allow various approaches to recovery while still taking advantage of our real-time, hands-free gear location technology. Thanks again for watching our presentation. We look forward to your questions and comments during the 2022 Ropeless Consortium.